welcome to my very first YouTube video, and welcome to Team Pootlers video hop, YouTube hop, where we're going to be sharing with you awesome projects with the new DSP out of the annual catalogue. And I've decided to go with Twinkle Twinkle, and these are the gorgeous papers included in the pack. And today we're going to make a tag holder or a gift card holder, so I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, you need to get yourself a piece of DSP measuring 4 inches by 6 inches. We're going to score that on the short side at 1/2 inch and 3.5 inches. And then turn it over onto the long side and score again at 2 inches. And that is all the scoring we're going to do. I have made this tag holder quite a lot, and somebody's asked me if I could just show what how I did it. So we're going to cut just a little sort of wedge, if you like, on the bottom where the small end is, and on the other side the same. And then down the 2 longer pieces, this side and this side, we're just going to cut all that off because we're not going to need that bit. So removing those from the sides, both sides. Just like that. And then you've got your score line in at the bottom end, if you like. You're going to fold that, and also fold in your 2 flaps at the bottom, and then that is going to fold up to make your little pocket. So we're going to stick some adhesive on the little flaps and stick those up the top. And this is gorgeous paper, totally my colours. Obviously night of navy, pool party. I'm just a blue. Blues are my colour, love it. So then you're just going to need I'm going to use a little scrap of night of navy, and I want to make a little sort of tag hole, if you like, at the top. So I'm going to use my 1/2 inch circle punch. No, I'm not. I'm going to use a tiny hole punch. This is just any hole punch. And I'm going to punch that, just a tiny hole out. And then I'm going to use the circle punch just to go around it, line it up so it's central, and just punch that out. So then you've got your little tag at the top. I'm going to measure sort of eyeball roughly in the middle of this one and take another small hole out the top, because this is where we're going to thread through some twine. So that's that one. Then taking your little bit that you've already done, you're going to stick that just directly over the top of your hole on the top of that one. Just hold it for a second. So there you've got your little pocket to put a gift card or a little note, anything like that. And then I'm going to take some Whisper White Baker's twine, cut a little bit off, and I'm going to just fold it in half and just thread it through the top. Hopefully, she says, and just pull the bottom through just to make a loop, just for a little tag. Now for the sentiment, I'm going to use, she says, the Picture Perfect Birthday stamp set, because this little sentiment, treat yourself, I think lends itself, especially if you're giving a gift card or a I don't know, Amazon voucher or something like that. treat yourself. I think it says what you need it to say. So we're gonna take that off. And I'll just get a stamp block, because obviously I haven't got it out ready because it's my first YouTube video, so who knew? And we're gonna get that ready on the block, and I'm gonna take a scrap of Whisper White cardstock and some Night of Navy ink. Best be a bit tidier, eh? We're gonna stamp that just directly onto the Whisper White, and I'm going to use well, let's see if this will be big enough. This is a 1.5 inch punch. Just going to get it in. So I'm going to punch that one out. And then I'm going to take another scrap of Whisper White and another punch, 1 3/4 inch punch, circle punch, and punch one of those out. And then we're going to layer it with some dimensionals, she says, when she can find the dimensionals, because obviously. And we're going to put those on the back, just to give it a bit of dimension, just so it stands out a little bit more. And then we're going to adhere that to the Night of Navy, just in the middle, just like that. And then I like a bit of bling, so what can we use on that? I think we'll just go for some basic pearls, and maybe just a couple just at the bottom. Just to add that little bit of sparkle. And then that's going to go just on the middle there. So are we going to use dimensionals again? Probably. No, actually I'm not going to use dimensionals, I'm going to use Tombow and just stick it on there, like that. And that is basically that. Perfect. Love it. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope you'll go along and check out everybody else's projects today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.